So let's take a look now at the history and watch list on the Scoutly app. So I don't have too many things in here. I actually just cleared it out earlier, but it basically shows all the history of all the things you've scanned in the past. So I've only scanned a couple different things, so we can go ahead and click on it and it will pull back up the information. This is showing up as a $5 buy, which I didn't pay $5 for this book, but regardless, that's just what it does. It's pretty straightforward. You can also set a watch list if you were to star this book. Say, ooh, I want that lean entrepreneur. Then it goes into the watch list there. Say this is for books that you want to keep or you're looking out for in the future. And you can go ahead and edit these as well. You can go ahead and exit that off. Delete it. And so that's how it works. Pretty straightforward. You can email out your history to other people. And I'm assuming you can email out your watch list somehow. But it does not look that way. If you ever have any questions about this app or feature questions, you can go ahead and check the description below, asellertool.com. That's where I got this app, and that's the people that make this program. And they have a very, very built out instruction guide and an FAQ for this app if you ever have any issues. And they have a great support line as well, so keep that in mind.